Once inside the MackinVia collection, you have two options for accessing the books. You can choose to open the book, which allows you to read and use the book for a short period of time. This would be ideal if you have an assignment that you're ready to work on and you want to access the book while you're working on that assignment. Your second option for reading the book is to check it out. To check out a book, you will first need to register for a Mackin account. Use the login link in the upper right-hand corner, and once on the login screen, choose Register, and then complete the form to set up your account. The benefit of checking out a book is that you get it for a 7-day loan period. Similar to how you check out a physical item from the library, this will prevent other users from accessing this book in case you need it during that 7-day period.